Hey guys, Dave here. It is midweek and we are making up some creamy tomato basil meatballs. Yes, creamy tomato basil meatballs. So easy, so incredibly delicious. You're going to love them, so let me show you how to do this. The first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of medium ground beef and I'm going to throw this into a bowl. And to this I'm going to add something a little different, a couple of tablespoons of chopped up sun-dried tomatoes. And of course, you know me, 3 cloves of the old chopped garlic. Follow that up with about a tablespoon of the good old Worcestershire sauce or W sauce. If you cook like me, you'll have a barrel of this stuff kicking around. Then a tablespoon of the ketchup of your choice. Throw in a teaspoon of onion powder. Another teaspoon of dried basil. You can use fresh if you have it on hand too. Of course, we're going to salt to taste, about a teaspoon. And last but not least, a TSP and a half of ground black pepper. Of course, a TSP is a teaspoon. And I almost forgot another teaspoon or so of chopped fresh parsley. By the way, dried does fine too. Then, of course, using the old hands, we're going to mix everything together. Now, they are meatballs, so I'm going to grab up a good pinch of that mixture, put it in the palm of my hand, and roll it into a ball. And we'll end up with something like this. This is just about perfecto. You can make them as big or as little as you like to. Just keep in mind they are going to shrink when you bake them. Anywho, we'll just go ahead and set these aside on my baking tray. By the way, you'll get about 12 or 14 meatballs out of these, and what I sometimes do is make up a big batch, throw them in a bag, and into the freezer they go. Anyway, these are going into a 375 degree preheated oven for about 20 or 25 minutes. Alright, while those meatballs are baking away, let's make up our sauce by adding 2 cups of table cream to a saucepan, followed by a tablespoon of tomato paste just to make things rich and wonderful. And of course you can use a little more or a little less depending on your taste. Then a couple of tablespoons of dried parmesan. Then another teaspoon of basil because it is tomato basil after all. A good pinch of the old saltation. And another heavy pinch of the old ground black pepper. Then simply give everything a stir and we're going to bring this to a burl or a boil or whatever. By the way, at this point in time those meatballs are done and they look incredible and I want to eat them as is, but we can't do that. Because, you probably guessed it, we're going to add them into that sauce. And things are really coming together at this point in time. And don't forget to spoon some of that wonderfully delicious sauce over top of those meatballs. And in my small brain here, guys, this is smelling and looking absolutely delicious. You're going to want to make this 100% for sure. I mean, who could resist those meatballs absolutely smothered in that sauce? Anyway, enough talking. I'm going to throw these onto a plate. And I do have to say, if you were here at this point in time, oh, the smell is absolutely incredible. And here I go with this stupid smell-o-vision thing again, but something that should be invented. Anyway, these are great. Even I could go as far to say as beyond great. And I know I said before, enough talking, but, you know, that's what I'm supposed to do. At any rate, go ahead and garnish these up with some fresh basil just to add that greenage and make them look extra fantastic. And there you have it, my friends, our creamy basil tomato meatballs. As I said in the beginning, so easy, so simple, and incredibly delicious. And you grab these up and eat them, you are going to say, give me more, give me more. These are the most fantastic meatballs I've ever had. At least I think so. And if you do, leave us a comment because I love to read them and reply to them all. Give us a like because it helps the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. And we shall see you Sunday morning. Remember, Sunday morning in the next video.